Good day class, this is physics week 3 and in our week 3 topic we are doing heat energy. So we'll go first to the definition of heat. So for the definition of heat is defined, or heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy given to a body to raise its temperature. So heat is a form of energy given to a body to raise its temperature. So there's another definition of it. You can also say it can also be defined as a measure of the total internal energy of a body. It can also be defined as the total internal energy of a body. All right. Then heat is also measured in what? Joules. Take note. Heat is measured in what? Joules. It is measured in joules. Alright, and that thing you should still know, if the energy or heat is energy transferred, pen down, heat is energy transferred from one body to another. And now it is energy transferred from one body to another by what? Thermal interaction. Now you may be asking, the instrument used in measuring of heat. Now I'll tell you, the instrument used in measuring of heat is what? Calorimeter. This is the instrument used in measuring heat. Alright, now when heat energy is transferred, that is a new line, a new paragraph. When heat energy is transferred to an object, its temperature increases, or its temperature increase depends on what? Number one, the nature of the object. Now, for it to transfer from one object to another, first, it is we'll start with the nature of the object or the nature of the substance. Now, let me explain something. If I have something like a rubber spoon, here, then an iron spoon or a metal spoon here, and it's on top a cover of a pot. It's on top the cover of a pot, and the pot is on top the gas boiling. You will know that the metal spoon will get hotter faster than the rubber spoon. Why? Because of the nature of what? The substance or the object. You understand me? So the metal spoon will get hotter before the rubber spoon. Another one is what? The mass of the what? Object. The mass of the object. When an object is large, it takes time for it to be transferred into that object. Let's say maybe if we have a big pot on top a gas and we have a small pot, the same degree of hotness is on both of the pots. This small pot will get hotter before the bigger pot. Why? Because of the mass of the what? Object. Because of the mass of the object. Alright, another one you should also know is that the amount energy transferred to the object. So let us go into what? Temperature. Now, what is temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of what? Of a body on a numerical choosing scale. Right, temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body on a numerical choosing scale. Remember, the SI unit of temperature is still joules. The SI unit of temperature is joules. What is used in measuring of temperature is what? A thermometer. A thermometer is used in measuring the temperature of a substance. Now, temperature has two fixed points. Are you getting me? We have fixed points of temperature. Alright. This one is another subtopic. Fixed points of what? Temperature. This is what we call it a day. After I explain this one, we'll call it a day. Now, fixed point of temperature. Under the fixed point of temperature, we have the upper fixed point. The upper fixed point. And we have the lower fixed point. Alright, we have the upper fixed point and we have the lower fixed point. The upper fixed point is defined right like this. It is what? The temperature of a pure boiling water at atmospheric pressure. So as the lower phase point is the temperature of a pure melting ice in what? The temperature of a pure melting ice in what? Atmospheric pressure. So this one is boiling water, this one is ice water at what? Atmospheric pressure. There is still something I did not tell you under temperature that I want to tell you before we call it a day. Physical properties used for physical properties used for measuring temperature. We have physical properties used for measuring temperature. One is what? Thermoconductivity. We have thermo what? We have thermal expansion. We have thermoconductivity. We have thermal expansion. We have what? Capillarity. We have capillarity. Another one we have is what? Change in resistance. We have what? Change in volume. We have pressure. We have viscosity. We have viscosity. So this is what we call it a day for heat energy. Now see you guys in my next class, or whenever I'll give you our topic for chemistry week 4. Remember, a new topic will come out for chemistry week 4, but for heat energy it will continue in week 4. Alright, see you guys then. Don't forget, if you want special WhatsApp classes, that is one-on-one class with me, the teacher, and you on WhatsApp, message me on WhatsApp 08024072621. Alright, I'll see you guys there. Remember, understanding science made easy.